ఎక్కువ తీసుకోకుండా I would like to announce Gaddar Telangana Film Awards for the year 2024 goes to first best feature film Kalki 2898, that is 2898 AD, and second best feature film Potel, third best feature film Lucky Bhaskar. Feature film on national integration, communal harmony and social uplift. Film Committee Kurol goes to Committee Kurol. Best children's film 35 Chinna Kadakadu. Feature film on environment, heritage, history goes to Razakar. Best debut film director Sri Yadu Vamshi for Yedu Vamshi for Committee Kurol. Best wholesome entertainment film Dr. M. Prabhakar Reddy Uttama Prajadarana Chitram I Mem Friends Andi. Mem Friends Andi. Individual awards for artists and technicians. Best director Sri Naga Ashwin Singireddy for Kalki. Best leading actor Sri Allu Arjun Pushpa 2. Best leading actress Niveda Thomas for 35 Chinna Kadakadu. Best supporting actor Sri S.J. Surya Saripoda Senivaram. Best supporting actress Ms. Saranya Pradeep Ambajipeta Marriage Band.